Jake Paul and RiceGum get in huge trouble for promoting a mystery box gambling scam. Welcome to InformOverload. I'm your host Johnny Rogers, and if you're new to the channel, we find the most interesting news stories on the internet and we make them more entertaining, all for your viewing enjoyment. Jake Paul and RiceGum have been promoting this mystery box website where players buy in to take their chances at winning big prizes. However, the odds for the prizes are much lower than the site is leading people to believe. Not to mention, Jake Paul and RiceGum both made video reactions of them winning these big prizes on a website that they're sponsored by, so it's really strange to see them freaking out so much over hitting it big. I'm sure to the older audiences watching from afar, they can see just how obnoxious and obviously fake these videos are. However, for the younger fans of Jake Paul and RiceGum, this becomes much more of a problem. They understand their demographic and are knowingly advertising a gambling website to young kids. In the passing days, we've seen huge YouTubers like PewDiePie and Ethan Klein from H3H3 Productions calling out Jake and RiceGum. Felix actually went really in depth into the statistics of just how unlikely it is for people to win these big prizes that the site is advertising. Ethan even took a different approach, pointing out that Jake's views have dropped significantly, and because of this, he might be desperate for money. It really is the only explanation to exploit kids and get them involved in this new gambling scam. In the video that Jake posted, he said, "We are about to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on mystery boxes." The video is actually titled, "I spent $5,000 on mystery boxes and you won't believe what I got," with the words "insane" in brackets. The videos these two have been putting out advertises the site called mysterybrand, where you pay to buy a box with mysterious content. And in Jake Paul's own words, he said, "You might get a pile of or you might get a Rolls Royce." And if you want a Rolls Royce, then you need to work hard for it. They cost nearly $250,000. And if you want a pile of just buy a cat. But please do not spend your money on this gambling scam of a website just because your favorite YouTuber says to do it. They're being paid to say that, and they're straight up lying to you. It's so ridiculous to see a multi-millionaire freaking out about winning an iPhone as if that's something that he couldn't already afford. Like, bruh, you just said you spent $5,000. I would hope that you would get more than that. Ethan from H3H3 also speculated that even if you do happen to win a so-called big prize, chances are it's going to be a fake knockoff version. And PewDiePie also pointed out that some people who have played on the site are claiming it's taking a very long time to receive the packages in the first place. Ethan also goes on to make a very valid point in his video, saying his fans are so young and so impressionable, there's a reason why you need to be 21 to gamble. It's dangerous, it's addicting, it's a vice. Many lives have been ruined due to gambling addiction. And you know what, he's right. So please, if there's anyone out there tempted by this for even a minute, take the money you were going to gamble and put it into a savings account or something. Just don't waste your time hoping that you're gonna hit it big if you just open one more box. That's where they get you. You could just end up with a lot of useless garbage that you'll have to dispose of later. But I want to turn the question over to you though. Do you believe their videos were honest mystery box openings? And if so, tell me why. Or do you believe that this is a complete scam? And same thing, tell me why. Leave me your comments down below. Now with that, let's move on to some featured comments from the video titled, "Oldest Woman in the World Lied About Her Age." Bobby Bear 007 Games says, "I love IO, it's the best. Johnny is okay, but Charlotte is the best." Wow, just okay? Alright Bobby Bear, I'll remember that. Anusha says, "Maybe she didn't remember it correctly." Valid point. Amber Divine says, "Johnny, you look great with the mustache and goatee. Much older, you should keep it." Why, thank you, Amber. I think I will. Electron says, "Please get me a shout out because name is Trey and I have a basketball game tomorrow." Good luck at your game today, Trey. Allie J says, "If she did lie about her age, why did she say she was older instead of younger? You know what, she wanted that Guinness Book of World Record. Or, like Anusha said, she probably forgot." Thank you for watching InformOverload. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Plus, if you want any more videos like this one, just click that playlist on the screen. And as always, if you find any new and exciting stories like this one, look for my Instagram in the description below, send me a DM. From InformOverload, I'm Johnny Rogers, and until next time, take care.